Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A3 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's start with the customization. Let's open the settings. Then we have to scroll and find display and brightness and scroll down to find eye comfort and sleep. Let's ignore this bedtime section. I just wanted to focus on the eye protection. First of all, we have to open or actually turn on the eye comfort. So let's tap on this switcher and you can see that the screen turns yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you are a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. We can change the intensity of that feature too, just by using this switcher. Right now we've got it on the default option, so more or less in the middle. By going to the left, we can make it cooler. It is, I would say, invisible. And by going to the right, much warmer, it's almost orange. So of course set it just like you want to, on the position which is most comfortable for you. Then we can also change display effects. We can choose the colors, which means that your device will display the colors as you can see here. However, they will be a little bit affected by the mode, or we can display everything in a monochromatic way by using black and white, and you can see that everything will be in those grayish, blackish and whitish colors. So it's totally up to you. I think I prefer the color option. We can also schedule that feature, so just tap on scheduled and we can freely turn on, we can choose the turn on and turn off time, and of course your device will apply the mode between those hours. So it's up to you. I don't think I want to use it. So basically this is the whole customization of this eye comfort, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. You have to unroll it fully to open those icons, and here we have to find eye comfort, and as you can see it is right here. So let's simply tap on it to activate it and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.